Hey guys, Jake here with another tutorial for you. In this one we're going to be going over implementing Steam Advanced Sessions into your Unreal Engine project. So first what we're going to want to do here is create a project, or if you have an existing one you're going to want to open that. I'm just going to create a new one with a third-person template. I'll call it Steam Sessions. Okay, once we're loaded up here, what you're going to want to do is create a C++ class. We're not going to need to know anything about C++, none of that. We're just going to be creating a class to convert the project into C++ because that's what we need for the plugin to work. So you're going to go up to Tools, New C++ class. If you do not have Visual Studio installed, I believe it will prompt you here, and you can go and install what you need. You'll have to restart and then come back to this step. I will leave a link in the description to to Visual Studio as well, if you need the download. But after you click Add a Class, you should see a list here. We'll just create none. You can name it whatever. I'm going to leave it because we don't need it. It doesn't matter. Okay, project now includes sources. Please close the editor and build from your IDE. Okay, no. Now what we can do is we can close our project. Okay, now there's also going to be a link in the description on where to get the Steam Advanced Sessions plugin. It's going to be from Mordentral on GitHub. This is the page here. Once you're presented with this, you can go over to where it says code, click the drop down and click download zip. Get out of that. Once you have it downloaded, you can open it. We're going to go into the Advanced Session plugin master. Select these two folders, the Advanced Sessions and the Advanced Steam Sessions. Extract, and we're going to find our project location. In our project location, we can select the folder of our project, click New Folder, and type in Plugins. And then we can extract these, make sure plugins is selected, extract those to the plugin folder. We're gonna get out of here. Now, we're gonna go back to our folder. And once we get there, you'll see we have all these other folders. We're gonna wanna select VS, Derived Data Cache, Intermediate, Saved, VS Config, and Steam Sessions, or whatever your project name is, .sln. And we are going to delete those. So now you should just have config, content, plugins, and source. Go to your U project file, right click it, show more options, generate Visual Studio project files. Going to let that generate. All right, once it's generated, you're going to see this repopulate with the folders that we deleted. And what we're going to want to do is open our project solution file, the .sln. You're going to want to go on to the right-hand side, and underneath the games folder, you're going to see the name of your project. Click on it. Right click it and click build. Down here you'll see the output, and we'll wait for that to build. Alright, so once the build's completed, you're going to want to check where it shows the output. Make sure that you have all succeeds and no fails or skips. Once that's good, we can exit out of Visual Studio. Now in your project folder, you're going to want to go into config, open defaultengine.ini, we're going to go into it, scroll all the way to the bottom, find some empty space, so we'll go ahead and paste that into here. And that's this whole thing down here, starting with script engine.game engine net driver definitions. File, save. Now we should be good to go. Let's go back into our Unreal project. Once our project's loaded up, if you want to double check, you can go to Edit, Plugins. Under Project, you should see Advanced Sessions plugin, and you see those are both enabled. Click up here, change play mode and play settings on the 3 dots. Change it to standalone game and make sure you have Steam running and logged in the background. That's the only way you'll be able to tell. Launch the standalone. And we should see it pop up here for the Steam overlay. And there it is. You now have the Steam Advanced Sessions plugin working. Don't forget again, please take the time to like and subscribe. It really does make a difference for me. If you have any suggestions on future videos, let me know. I'll try my best to get them done. I am going to continue with this series as well. In the next videos, we'll be taking a look at building the user interface for a simple menu to create sessions, find sessions, so you and your friends can play together. Thanks again. This is Jake. Have a great day, guys.